Okay, so let's start with the principle behind triangle, corner and shut. Can't really play triangle if we don't know the principle behind it. So basically we're talking about 20 meters to the goal line, we go into goal line defense. The basic principle of corner and shut is this, that the defense is broken into two groups of three, 1, 2, 3 on the left side, and 1, 3, 2, 1 on the right side. And it's the basic principle that whatever side makes a touch is in corner. What does that mean? Let's just say the 3 goes down to get touched and the 3 on the left side makes a touch. That means that he's going to head towards his corner. Since he's on the left side, he's obviously going to be heading to the left corner. So because the 3 made it, and they're working in teams of 3, teams of 2, sorry. Once he makes a touch and goes corner, these 2 follow suit. Basically, they're cornering to cover a short side. Now though, once he's planted, if the 2 comes and scoops out, what happens here? Well, that's the other part of it. So one side's cornering, the other side's shut. And that's the good thing to remember, is that whatever one side's doing, the other has to do the other one. So one side's corner, that means the right side has to shut. And that is, now that he's scooping out, basically 3 is in shut, which means he's just going to shut the gap, the next gap created by this side going corner. So he automatically shuts the gap, which means once the 2 scoops out with the ball, 3 is on him. Which means that this guy shuts, because they all work together as a team, they're one team. 2 shuts the next guy, 1 shuts the next guy. What has happened though is I've left the winger open. So the big thing to remember about cornering and shutting is that once it is identified early what the play is, so